Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and opening key settings. First, make sure Windows 11 is up to date and you're on an administrator account. Once done, create a system restore point so you can revert changes if needed. Next, open Settings and navigate to Personalization Colors to prepare default transparency options. You're not finished yet. This slide gets you ready, so the next steps focus on specific toggles and registry adjustments required to reach full taskbar transparency. Now perform the core change by editing the registry to unlock full transparency. Open Regedit and go to the Personalize key under Current Version /themes. Create or set the word named Use OLED Taskbar Transparency to 1. That forces a stronger transparency effect than the default toggle. After saving, restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager to apply immediately or reboot for a clean load. Make sure to keep Settings Personalization Colors Transparency enabled so the registry tweak has the expected visual effect. Finish by verifying the UI toggle and cleaning up. Open Settings Personalization Colors and ensure Transparency Effects is on. This complements the registry change. If the taskbar returns to opaque after updates, reapply the registry word and run sfc/scano to repair system files that might block the change. As a troubleshooting tip, if visual glitches or crashes occur, immediately use the restore point you made earlier to revert. Then reassess updates or third-party theme apps that may conflict with transparency settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.